select shape tool, rectangle, ellipse, polygon, etc. Draw shape, click a drag, edit, resize, rotate, transform, customization, fill, stroke, color, gradient. Step 2 effect, drop, shadow, glow. Step 3 layer, style, add depth. Tips, path, edit shape path, combine shape, marriage, subtract. Smart object, edit shape, flexibility. Want to try shape in Photoshop? Let's create in Adobe Photoshop. Click, drag, resize, rotate, transform, color, gradient, drop, shadow, glow, add depth, edit shape path, marriage, subtract, edit shape, flex.